first runner-up for the female category is... Who do you think, everyone? Alright, your wish is my command. Your first runner-up female category for the Beach Buddies 2024 candidate number 9. Once again, congratulations, our first runner-up for the female category candidate number 9. Now, once again, to be awarded by the CEO of the PDM Central, Ms. Joanna and Sir Kervin. Congratulations, candidate number 9. Good job. Diyan please, accept your award. Sayang. Diyan ka muna. Relax ka muna dyan. After this one, I'll be awarding muna yung first runner-up and second runner-up male categories. And last na natin i-award yung breadwinners natin, di ba? Sa female and male. Okay? Alright. So yung mga kasama natin dyan sa likod, ganun po yung sequence na preparation natin para hindi tayo